Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Casual
dude,
is-
if you get a butterfly knife, dude, oh my god, that shit is worth so much money. Butterfly, baby, butterfly,
Come on,
baby.
butterfly.
No way!
He's actually zoomed.
No way!
Yo.
No way!
What the
Dude.
fuck?
Yo, 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 yo,
You
yo,
know what?
yo, yo,
Zero chance.
yo,
What was that? How much is it?
yo, that's
How much
almost
is it?
$1,000. That's almost
Yeah.
$1,000.
I gotta see the flow. Hold on. Hey, yo. Hey.
No, where's the register, bro? What the
Hey,
fuck?
no. Hey, hover your
Bruh.
mouse. Hey, hover your mouse over the eye. 0.33. Hold on. 0.33.
Oh
what
my
the fuck?
god. Oh,
Let's fucking go.
Oh my god, bro.
Keep going, bro. Keep going.
Let's go.
Holy shit. It's well worn. Okay, so well worn blue steel. Well worn blue steel butterfly knife.
God damn.
That's still tied though. Holy shit, man.